Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Yes, welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, October the 25th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles in this additional. The 3 stars Sudoku, well, it seems this one is a 4 stars. And the 4 star Sudoku, well, it seems that this one is a 2 stars. Wrong indication, but we have 2 puzzles left. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it cijferblok. And this one you are interested, boys and girls. Yes, it's the binary puzzle. It's binary time. Yes, binary time. And this one will be number 5382. 5382. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means binary puzzle. Yes, that means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. A double one, here no, a there no. A double one, here no, a there no. A double O, here one, a there one. A double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1 double 1. Here no, there no. Yeah. Now I need to think. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Yeah. And now. Comparing. Do we need to compare? That's the question. Can I find a solution here? Well, we have here 3 1s. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in this column. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be a no. Yeah. Okay. 3. Yeah. Well, I think it's time for comparing because I cannot continue. We have here only 1 completed column. Here we have only 1 completed row. And if I look to this row and that row, it's almost the same. Let me compare the 001, 1, 001, 1, 00, empty box, 1, 1, empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. Otherwise, we will have identical rows. Not allowed one of the rules. So we have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Now we have 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Here, double 1. Here, no. There, no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double 1. Here, no. There, no. Then double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Yeah. And now. Well, this is also almost the same. Let me compare again. Empty box. 1 empty box. We need to switch those two digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be the 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here. No, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O. Here 1, there 1. And now. Interesting. Ay. For the third time. Need to compare for the third time. Well, here I cannot compare. I need to compare this column. Because we are missing 2 digits. Here we have 3, here we have 3, and in this row here also 3, here also 3. Do we have double 1 here? Yeah. No, almost the same. But it's not the same. Yeah. Need to think. Yeah. Double 4 here. Double 1. It's not the same. Ay. 1, 2, 3. Could be here. And I need a double 1 there. So I've replaced the 1 here. Here. I think the 1 should be here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 4, yeah. Do a double 1 here. No. We don't have double 1s. Oh, here. Oh. Yeah. Hide it. It's hide it. In the last row. Oh. 1. Oh. Empty box 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Finished in 8 minutes. Well. 1, 2, 3 times comparing here. You need to compare. So, and look for that digit that you need. Anyway, I like this one. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a second with the last puzzle, the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.